given Radha and Riya are best friends. So, when two proper nouns are given, Radha and Riya, for these two specific words, we will use they. The pronoun they will come. They are best friends. Okay? If two names more than one person is there, then we will use they in case of pronoun. Now, one more important thing, if we are having an animal or a insect or a bird name, the cat is peeping from the window. The cat is peeping. Peeping means jhagna. So for the cat, we will not use he or she. Okay? Remember, we will not use he or she. We will use what? We will use it. For animals and birds, always we use it, not he or she. Okay? So there are certain words you can notice in your book on page 30. In the first exercise A, we have to find out the pronouns. And the pronoun words are, by different examples I told you, the words are her, his, then he, she, they, them. Okay? These all are pronouns. It, used for animals, birds, insects. Okay, class? Now, beginning with the exercises. I'm sharing the screen with you. Yes, this is your first page of exercise pronouns. Ishan Agrawal, Anshika Agrawal, Khushi Doneria, Naitik, Sakshi Singh and Vaishnavi Yadav. These four students, I already told you in the starting to put your videos off. So please put your videos off right now. Anshika Agrawal, you are the only single student. So many times I called your name. Please pay attention. Yes, class. So we are beginning with pronouns. First exercise, there are three options and we have to pick up the pronoun word. And that is door, her and sofa. Her will be the pronoun. Second, Roy, happy, he. He is pronoun. Them, people, laugh. Them is pronoun. Baseball, she and play. She is pronoun. Samir, his and school. His pronoun. Rocket, it and good. It pronoun. Sad, their, type. There is pronoun. One or two students are raising their hands. Children, I already told you, after completing the chapter, you will be getting 5 to 10 minutes to mute you. Okay? Then 8th, 7th, sat, there and type, THEIR there indicates person. Okay? It's personal pronoun. They, Jenny and garden. They. 9th, chair, tree and us. Us is pronoun. Cap, Alex and he. He is the pronoun. Yes. So first exercise has been completed. Exercise D. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Sentence 1. Rima's mother told her to rest after school hours. So Rima's mother told whom? किसको बताया? In place of proper noun, we will use pronoun. For Rima, the word has been used her. Okay, told her, so her will be the pronoun. The movie was a flop because it was boring. For movie, we have used the pronoun word it. Third, look at Roger. He is playing cricket. Now, Roger is the name. It is proper noun. So, for that, we have used he. Fourth, the new pen which I bought was soon lost. So, the pronoun is I. Fifth, you are a silly little girl. For girl, it has been indicated you as pronoun. So you can see on the screen, 2 exercises are completed, A and B. Third exercise, as per question. Now we have to fill up with suitable pronouns. There is no option given in the book. We have to fill self. First is let dash go to the park. Let us. Pronoun us will come. Second, the dog was limping because dash had hurt its paw. ठीक है? Limping is what? कि जहां पर dogs अपनी टंग निकालकर अपना कोई भी specific body part को lick करते हैं, उसको touch करते हैं टंग से. And the sentence is saying because dog का जो पैर है, paw जो पंजा है वहाँ hurt हो गया था and he was licking again and again and that is what limping. And we will use, you can see for dog we hasn't used he or she. For dog we have used it. Okay, because of animal. The next page. I'm sharing. Yes. Third sentence, dash like oranges, but dash like grapes. He like oranges, but I like grapes. Children, you can use the third sentence. You can do a correction. I like oranges, but he likes. This will be interchanged. I like oranges, but he likes grapes. In the third sentence, a change will be there. I like oranges, but he likes grapes. Okay. Fourth one, Anjul and I are going for a picnic. Anjul and I are going for a picnic. Ananya Agrawal and Anshika Agrawal. Naitik, put your videos off. Fifth sentence, the boys helped old man. Okay, for old man, he is used, and for boys, them is used. This is pronoun. Now, kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns. As per the definition, personal pronoun, first kind we will study. A pronoun referring to the person speaking is said to be the first person, as I, we, me, and us. If we are speaking for specific person, it is said to be the first person, I, we, me, or us. Means the speaker. जो बात कर रहा है, the speaker is said to be the first person. In the sentence, speaker is said to be the first person. Second, a pronoun referring to the person spoken to. Speaker जिससे बात कर रहा है, he is the second person. Okay? That person is said to be the second person. If first person is speaking to some other person, he is referred as the second person. Third point, a pronoun referring to the person or thing spoken of. जिसके लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं, for the person or thing, that is said to be the third person. Okay? Thing or person we are speaking, जिसके लिए बात कर रहे हैं, he can be or she can be the third person also. So these are the three sub kinds of personal pronouns to identify first person, second person, and third person. And following examples are given here to identify who is first, second, and third. Like I, we, me, us are referred as first person, you as second person, and he, him, she, her, it, they, them. For those we are talking, जिसके लिए बात कर रहे हैं, those are referred as third person. So first exercise is choose the correct personal pronouns and write them in given spaces. First is, will you come with? With we or us, it will be us. Will you come with us? Second, Seema wrote a letter to him. Him is correct, not he. Tarun saw it in the barn. She will not come, it. When will she arrive? Not her. When will she arrive? Please give it to me. Please give it to me. Your second exercise, underline the personal pronouns in the following sentences. First one, where did you lose your bag? It was a new bag. So, the personal pronoun will be you. Second, we live in a big house. Personal pronoun will be we. Third, tell those boys that they are wanted in the office. Again, the pronoun will be they. Has Mrs. Suri gone or is she there? Pronoun will be she. Vinod is a good doctor. He lives in my neighborhood. Pronoun will be he. So these two were the exercises of personal pronouns. One more exercise is there. On the next page, page 32. And I am sharing the screen. This one. See exercise. Choose the sentence with the correct personal pronoun and mark a tick against it. Two options are there. The very appropriate you have to select. Come with I or come with me. Come with me is the most appropriate. Give I the coat, give me the coat. This is the correct one. Tell her to hurry. Tell she to hurry, her to hurry. This one is correct. The candy is for me, the candy is for I. For me. For me is correct. Why are they here? Why are them here? Are they here is most appropriate. So students, you can see on the screen. See exercise completed. Now next topic comes reflexive pronouns. It's second kind of pronoun. As per the definition, the pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, themselves, himself, herself refers to the subject of the verb. Such pronouns are called reflexive pronoun. Now, reflexive pronouns are those words which shows a specific subject itself, यानी सेंटेंस में जो सब्जेक्ट है उसको हाईलाइट करते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. लाइक आई हर्ट, द सेंटेंस आई हर्ट में सब्जेक्ट इज आई, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड माई सेल्फ. ठीक है, मैंने खुद से अपने आप को हर्ट किया. सेकेंड, वी विल सी टू इट आवरसेल्फ. यहाँ सेंटेंस में द सब्जेक्ट वी आर हैविंग वी, और वी को आइडेंटिफाई किससे किया जाएगा? आवरसेल्फ से. द प्रिजनर, प्रिजनर इज द सब्जेक्ट, तो प्रिजनर खुद से हिमसेल्फ, फॉर हिज वी विल यूज हिमसेल्फ. दे हैव गॉट देमसेल्व्स, दे इज द सब्जेक्ट, दे सब्जेक्ट है, फॉर दे वी विल यूज देमसेल्व्स. चिल्ड्रन, नोट डाउन वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में जो हमारा सफिक्स है self, self is used for singulars, okay, and the spelling selves is used for plurals. You can see in your examples also, like I, the singular I, मैं, अपनी बात हो रही है, only the single person, that's why we have used self. And if there is plural, जैसे second sentence, you can see we. So we have used ourselves, selves. The spelling is in the plural form. So this is the most important thing you have to note down. The spellings we have to use with singulars or with the plurals. Now emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are what? They are too close to reflexive pronouns. ये दोनों काफी हद तक सेम है. A slight difference is what? The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves, himself, herself are used with noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasis. Emphasis means focus, extra focus. Such pronouns are called emphatic pronouns. Example, I myself. Now in this example you can see subject के just बाद we have emphasis we have put the emphasis on the subject. Subject के just बाद we have used emphatic pronouns because to show more focus on subject. और इससे पहले आप reflexive pronoun में देखिएगा, reflexive में वहां पर आपके just बाद subject बाद reflexive pronouns placed नहीं है, ठीक है, they are after the verbs, placed after the verbs. But in emphatic pronouns, you have to use just after the subject. That is the difference between reflexive and emphatic. Emphatic pronouns आपको subject के just बाद use करने हैं because they are putting extra emphasis, extra focus on the subject. This is the mean of definition to tell what are emphatic pronouns and the reflexive pronouns. So I hope now you have get on what I mean to explain. Like examples, once again I am reading. He himself went there. The focus is on he. That's why just after he we used himself. She. For she we have used herself, agreed to the proposal. And fourth, they themselves. तो आप देख सकते हैं clearly for every subject के बाद हमने emphatic pronoun को use किया है. And in reflexive pronoun, we have used reflexive pronoun after the verbs. Verbs के बाद use किया है. So beginning with the A exercise, she blamed herself for that. She blamed is the verb. A verb के बाद we will use herself for she. Okay, for that. I have seen that he often talks to. बात he के लिए हो रही है. He talks to himself. Subject first person I है, second person he है. तो I is speaking about he. I बता रहा है he के बारे में कि he often talks to himself. खुद से बात करता है. Yes, children, I think the time is for the query round.